If you're using a Windows 11 PC, Windows Security is all the antivirus power that you need. However, it's not perfect and can sometimes malfunction. My name is Yadullah. You are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how to fix Windows security issues on Windows 11. Windows security can stop working for a number of reasons actually. The first thing that we should do is check Windows security settings themselves. So open the start menu and search for Windows security. We'll open this up. Give it a second to load, and if you're seeing exclamation marks in any of these icons where you see green marks on mine, just click on it and head over to manage settings, or it will also show you the action right here. But anyways, once you're setting in the settings, make sure that all of these sliders are enabled. As long as they're enabled, you will be protected, and Windows security should be working fine. The next step is to check for Windows updates. Updates to Windows security are often delivered via Windows updates. So if you're behind on a few updates, your antivirus might be getting too outdated for it to function properly. Once again, to do that, we'll press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings, and we'll click on Windows Update at the bottom. As you can see, I have a Windows update pending with some installation errors, which is for another video, but make sure that you're on the latest Windows update to make sure that Windows security in turn functions properly. If both the methods fail to fix the issue for you, you can manually reset Windows security using a PowerShell command. So just press the start menu and search for PowerShell. Make sure to click the run as administrator option. We'll give it the permission it needs, wait for it to boot up, and now you can copy paste this command from the description. What this does is that it essentially resets the app package for Windows security. And now that it has automatically executed as soon as I pasted it, if I just open Windows security again, it should boot up and function just fine. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if you have any thoughts on these videos, or if you'd like us to make any more content like this, and I'll be down there talking to you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.